Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is time once again for another FabFitFun mystery bundle unboxing. This one is 2201 MYS028. And this is one of two bundles I got in the mail today. I'll be posting the other one in a day or two. So we'll get right into this. I'll just cut this one open because I can tell the knot is really tight. And this is the Summer and Rose ceramic mini vase. And there's kind of an illustration on it on the side there of what it looks like. Kind of a geometric pattern. I want to open this up and see what it actually looks like. And I always struggle a little with packaging, so just bear with me. I'm trying. There we go. And the last hurdle is getting into the tape. My tiny little short fingernails are no good for this. But unfortunately I don't have the kind of job where I can have long glamorous ones. Okay, hey, look at that. I really like this. I think it'll be really cute either on a shelf, just empty the way it is, or maybe I could put some dried flowers into it, or dried grasses. It would look really cute. Yeah, I definitely like this, and I like it even more than I liked it from the picture on the box. So we'll just tuck that back in there for now. And once again, that was the Summer and Rose mini vase. And right now it is on the FabFitFun website for $39, marked down to $17. So when I total up, I will count the $17 price. Okay, that was a good start. Let's go on to the next item in the bundle. And that is the Ren Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. Now, I've heard really good things about Ren. I don't know that I've actually used any of their products yet. I think I might have got one other in one of my bundles, but I think I ended up passing it along to someone else in my family. But this looks really nice. I think I'll give it a try because I have been curious about them. And it is cruelty-free, which I love. So I'll go ahead and tuck that into my skincare bag. And that retails for $48 at Sephora. And the next item is this lip cream. And that was on the Sephora website for $19. Once again, here I am struggling with the packaging. I think I opened up the wrong end. There we go. So it's kind of a little darker neutral tone. It's got like a hint of peachiness to it, but it's a really pretty color. And this is the kind of color I gravitate towards unless I'm going for a certain like really bright look. Like for my day-to-day, just in Zoom meetings and stuff, I usually wear neutrals. So this will work out perfect. And it's going in my makeup bag. And I've also got this MAC Patent Paint lip lacquer, and this is Patent Pleasure. I'll turn it around. There we go. So we'll go ahead and take that out too and take a look. I'm really curious. And those retail for $22. Struggling yet again. Here we go. This too is a really nice neutral tone, a little lighter this time, but still really pretty, really natural. So I'm going to go ahead and shove that into my makeup bag too. It'll be nice to shake things up. I've basically been using Clinique Black Honey for the last little bit, so it's nice to have something new. So totaling up all of the items here, everything came out to a grand total of $106, so a pretty good value for a $29 mystery bundle. I'll see you back here again in a couple of days with my second mystery bundle. Until then, have a great week and take care. Thanks for stopping by.